All right, everyone. Once again, this is the Samsung A20 cell phone. Now, currently, I believe this phone is on because you can hear the notifications in the background. So I can't really tell you or show you how bad it is because the screen just blacked out. So this is the new part right here. As you can see, side by side. New part on the left, broken phone on the right, okay? So buy the part like this with the frame. So this frame cost me $75. This is a $150 charge. So on this phone, it's half and half. Half parts, half profit. Let's get this started. All right, so tool-wise, you're probably gonna need something like this, a basic screwdrivers, tweezers if you're gonna need them, and something, I call this a black plastic stick, and a heat gun just like this. If somebody needs a heat gun like this, link in description. I have the link to this thing right here if you need one of these. Actually, you might not even need a heat gun because this thing is not made out of glass. And this back doesn't break, so you can get something like this and just wedge it in the back like this, and I can get a card, like a gift card like this, and we can just go around like this. Wedge this in, this, and this back starts to peel off. You see in there? It's just adhesive. This back is made out of plastic, so you don't have to be that careful with it. See? There we go. This thing should just peel off. This phone is on. I just felt it vibrate right now. Actually, let's use a little bit of heat. Go. It's coming off. There we go. This whole back should just come right off. Oh, you hear that? Okay, but don't be too cocky, right? You don't want to tear and rip things, so all right, and there we go. You see that? It's just adhesive that's around the edges. This thing doesn't break. It's made out of plastic. There you go. All right, so we'll put that aside. So what we're gonna do next is, you see all these screws that you have on here? Just start unscrewing everything. All right, so we have all the screws out. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna unplug this thing right here. This looks like it's the fingerprint scanner. So we'll unplug this thing. We'll put this in the dish. We'll put this out of the way because we don't need that anymore. First, we need to take out the SIM tray. There you go. SIM tray. Take that out. Now we can take out the sides. So we'll find a spot, most likely on the side somewhere. Here, we'll do this. We'll get this thing. Get it in just like that. We'll get this, and you'll start to hear the clips. Watch. You hear that? The clipping sound of it. Go all the way around. There we go. Ah, there's a screw right here. I must have missed that one. All right. Keep going around. Keep going around. And then this whole thing. There we go. All right, you guys. Another thing made out of plastic. There we go. We'll put this aside, right? All right, so now we have this thing opened right here. Now we can get our screen that I was showing you earlier. As you can see, the basic idea of how this is gonna work, you're gonna transfer this stuff and just stick it in here, right? So this motherboard, the charging port area, the battery, these two cables, it's just gonna go in this area right here. And it's actually not that hard to do at all. So let's just start doing it. So what we're gonna do first is unplug the battery. Then this whole thing is simple, basic. This is like really a basic repair. Look at this. And then you just unconnect this right here. And the whole thing is like almost over, right? So what else do we have to do? We're gonna take the ear speaker, the battery, and then the vibration motor right here. So how about we do that first before we put this in here? So let's take out the ear speaker, and we're gonna blow heat on this. It makes it easier to take out when you blow heat. All right, so now we're going to take this out just like that. You can see there's adhesive like this, right? So now we're gonna take this and just transfer it over. There you go. So what else do we have left? We have the vibration motor. Let's do this first. Blow a little bit of heat. You can blow it on this side too. Now I'm gonna grab my tweezers and we're gonna go this way. There you go. You heard it kind of click out, but it has adhesive on it, right? As you can see, there it is. All right, so now what we're gonna do is lay this where it goes right here on the new piece, right? Just like that. All right, so now it looks like our final thing to do is transfer over the battery. That's it. So what we're gonna do, what I like to do, is I get alcohol. This stuff, you get this at CVS, 91% alcohol. I put some of that in this thing right here, and it makes the batteries easy to take out. So I put alcohol on the sides like that, over here too. And alcohol is safe to use with the electronics, okay? This stuff will evaporate. It eats up the adhesive and it evaporates pretty quickly. So what we're gonna do, since we have that in there, we can get something like this. Maybe we'll try this. This thing will come out just like this. That thing was like way too easy. I actually think this one has been worked on before. Not by me, but maybe somebody else fixed it. I have no idea. Okay, so we don't need this anymore, right? We have everything we have from here, and that's that. So we'll let this dry out before we put this back. All right, so this battery is now dry, and I kind of cleaned up a lot of this adhesive that's underneath the battery. All right, so what we're gonna do first is I actually want to show you that these things also unhook right here. See, these things unhook. You can unhook these if you want, if you feel like they get in the way of your repair, just to show you guys like that, okay? So this thing right here is gonna go just like this. This is gonna go just like this. This repair is very straightforward and easy. You get this red wire and you tuck it in the groove like that, right? So then we're gonna put the battery in, but as you see, there's no tape here because I cleaned all the old used tape up, so we're gonna put our own adhesive right here. What I have recently found is this red clear tape. It's a lot stronger than this tape that you see right here. So I know there's other phone repair people that watch my videos. This tape is better. I buy this tape from now on. I'm getting rid of this stuff. This is a lot stronger. You can find this stuff on eBay. Okay, so we're gonna cut our strips and just lay this in here just like this. All right, so what we're gonna do next is just grab our battery and then just lay it in here. I'm gonna plug it in first because I like to leave it plugged in and just so it lays nicely in there. I'm just gonna unplug it back again. All right. So there's that. Let me get rid of this stuff right here. All right, so what's next? Let's start connecting this black wire or cable, which is gonna go right here. This plugs into the screen right there, and then it naturally plugs up. All right, then we're gonna grab our yellow wire. Let's just start at the top, plug that in. All right, that's in. Start at the bottom, plug that one in right there, right? Okay, so let's just double check everything's all aligned up, right? Our battery is still unplugged, so let's plug that in now. Make sure our camera is in, everything else is in. All right, we're good to go. So now we grab this plastic thing again, right? And this thing is gonna go just like this. We're gonna lay it right there and we're gonna snap it in. We're gonna go all the way around. Okay. There we go. Feel all our buttons. Okay. So now that we have all that stuff, we need to put back all the screws back where they go. All right, so now we have all the screws screwed back in. We're gonna take our sensor right here and we are going to plug it in. And then we're gonna get our SIM card and SIM card tray and we're gonna put this thing in. Where does this thing go? It goes right here. There we go. So the final thing is really just to tape this back on. So I'm gonna show you how I tape this on because this thing is probably not really that sticky anymore. You can heat this and put it back on, but I don't recommend. I wouldn't do that into my shop. If you're fixing your own phone at home, maybe you guys don't really care, you know, but I'm gonna put new adhesive. So I'm gonna take out all this old adhesive that's on here and I'm gonna put new adhesive. All right, so we got that. Now all we have to do is just put this back on, line it up, and there we go. Let's power this thing on. There we go. Samsung Galaxy A20. This repair can be done by a junior high student. Seriously, you guys saw the whole thing, right? All right, everybody, that was the Samsung Galaxy A20 screen repair. For those of you guys that are interested in learning how to do this yourself to make some money, I do have a cell phone repair course that teaches you how to repair phones, how to market your business, how to make money, supplier information. You guys need a refurbishing company. You guys want me to I show you everything, how to make little ads. I teach you how to use the software to edit all the videos. Pretty much everything wrapped up into a course of how to make money repairing phones for money. It's linked in the description below. Check it out if you guys are interested. Other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.